we breathe. When we breathe 21,600 times, from the soul, it goes and comes back. Okay? Puraka, Rechaka. What is retained as Kumbhaka is from the Atman. So what is retained as Kumbhaka completely triggers the pineal gland, which consists of piezoelectric crystals. So more we do sadhana with Puraka, Rechaka and Kumbhaka, then that is called as sadhana. So then sadhana, we get into different experiences. We believe in God. We don't know how God works and what is the way we capture God. So basic thing is God ge photo hakodu, devarige agarbatti hachodu. Adu basic primary level of worship. Okay, but primary level of worship is of no good. Especially when you come here, you have passed that primary basis of worship. That is, you are supposed to do. And when you are supposed to do, your breathing should trigger and charge illuminescence, illuminating the piezoelectric crystals in your pineal gland, because which is there in the brain. Adu madidrene, then only the energy by your breathing goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Illa andre, it doesn't even reach the throat level. If you want energy which goes to the brain and comes back, that is why we call it as oxygenated blood. I don't know whether you all remember oxygenated blood. SpO2. ಆ SpO2 ಯಾದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ SpO2 ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 98, 99 ಅನ್ನೋದು that is basically just one record. That oxygenated blood ಸಾಧನೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಾಗ you can go up to 100, 102, 103. So when you go to 102, 103, what happens is you are in Kumbhaka. Your breathing is in Kumbhaka. That means you are very stable, very stabilized. So when Kumbhaka happens to you, even here the children, sometimes they say, your breathing is only 92, 93 and nandu, my pulse is 55, 60. Then both the children will speak, no, we have to take you to a doctor. Antala heltar. They don't understand, okay, my state of mind. Because my energy comes from oxygenated blood. That means my pulse rate is only 85, 86, maximum at about 88. Otherwise my pulse rate is between 50 to 55. Because in the pineal gland, it goes, touches the pineal gland and comes to the brain. Oxygenated blood. So the sadhana you should do should be that kind, the intellectual power should be charged. Should be charged. Don't worry. Don't worry. It will happen. It will happen. Because only through this piezoelectric crystals from the brain, it comes and directly touches the Atman. And out from that Atman comes out pure Shuddha Vidya, pure intellect. That means the brain is already activated by the. First, you will get awareness. Yeah. Awareness. Number 2. With awareness, the intellect becomes sharp. Awareness sharp first. Awareness first. 2 sharpness. Sharpness. Intellect becomes sharp. Sharp. Number 3. Calmness. Come whatever be the situation, you will be very calm. You will not get. Okay. Awareness, sharp, calmness. From the piezoelectric crystal, you will get awareness, you will be intellectually very sharp, and you will be intellectually filled with calmness. So calmness or calm. Okay, fine. Calmness, okay. 4. Motivation. You can motivate everybody whom you meet. Motivate. Or motivation. Okay. Number 5. Clarity. Clarity in thinking, clarity in talking, clarity in speech, clarity in action, clarity in whatever you do. Because once your mind becomes sharp, because you are generating piezoelectric cells which are completely activating you. So that is why we do sadhana. Oxygenated blood ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. Then ಇಷ್ಟು ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ you are always sulking. Your intellect is absolutely slightly better. Then as a normal being, your intellect is 1. With this, you will start from 1.5. Normal intellect is 1, which because of your father and mother, because of the education, because of the interaction you had with people and all that, your intellect is only 1. Okay? If you cultivate all these things, then your intellect will be 8. That is why to activate all these piezoelectric cells in your pineal gland, that is why you have to read, okay, the autobiographies of sadhus and satsang through a satsang. Autobiographies of sadhus and santas, so that is a motivation for you. I am trying to explain to you technically, which is a fact also, which is a fact. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Om
ಹೇಳಿ.
Jai Mata, Om Jai Gurudeva.
ಜಯ ಮಾತಾ, ಹೇಳಿ.
The soul is residing within us in the heart,
Yes,
and it is continuously emitting out light or prakasha,
yes,
and we call our soul as the Atman.
yes,
So that ray of light which then from the Atman through our sadhana, when that reaches the brain, when through the process of pranayama, that is puraka and rechaka,
yes,
with that continuous action of the prana,
right,
that light from the soul, when it illumines the intellect,
right,
it gives that kind of a prakasha to the pineal gland.
correct.
The piezoelectric.
No. It gives a prakasha of the pineal gland, not to the pineal gland, from the pineal gland. ಹೇಳಿ, please continue. It's okay.
The piezoelectric cells are the
Crystals.
piezoelectric crystals
Yes.
in the pineal gland
Right,
get activated,
correct.
and they start that kind of a pulsating movement.
Yes, that is because of the intention. The intention of a sadhana. Sadhana makes you intent. And this intention will trigger the crystals in the pineal gland, and they emit different rays. Okay? Have you seen lights from a piezoelectric this thing? Okay? ಸುಮಾರು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ನ ಲೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸನ್ ದೇ ಥ್ರೋ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಾಲ್. ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅಸ್ these piezoelectric crystals to throw light on the intellect so that the whole of our body is thrown with prakasha. That means all the darkness in the intellect, in the body, because of the prana, the piezoelectric crystals trigger that body, that jada body, into a body of light. ಪ್ರಕಾಶ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನುಷ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಗು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ರು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗೋತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪೈನಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆತ್ಮ. ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಆತ್ಮದ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಯು, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಲೈವ್ ವಿತ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈಟ್. ನಮಗೇನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾತಿ ಗೀತಿ ಇದು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅವರ್ ಇಗ್ನೊರೆನ್ಸ್. ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇಫ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ ಅಸ್, ನೀವು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪೀಸೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕಾಶಮಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್.
So when the piezoelectric crystals
light from the piezoelectric crystals, they
when the light from the piezoelectric crystals
cells
completely illumine the entire body as well as the brain,
right,
then there is a shift in our psyche.
Yes.
There is a complete paradigm shift. Correct. Where there is a higher degree of awareness.
Yes.
Or becomes heightened awareness.
Yes.
And
number one. Next, ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. You have to understand, we are aware, but we don't have heightened awareness. ಈಗ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಚುಚ್ಚಿದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಮುಟ್ಟದೇನೆ ಆ ಪೀಸೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲದು ನಮಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಂದ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಯುಮಿನೇಟ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ when it eliminates each and part of the body, then you will understand elimination has happened.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.